Hey, what's up everyone? Today I've got some exciting news for all the Xiaomi fans out there. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for the next big thing in tech. Well, Xiaomi's latest beast, the Xiaomi 15 Pro, is shaping up to be a game changer. Let's dive right into it. So, you've probably heard the rumors already, but let's confirm the buzz around the Xiaomi 15 Pro's battery. This phone is reportedly being tested with a massive 6000 mAh battery. Yeah, you heard that right, 6000 mAh. For context, that's bigger than most of the batteries we see in flagship phones today. This means more time for gaming, more time for streaming, and just generally more time without reaching for that charger. Now let's talk about charging. Xiaomi isn't just stopping at a big battery, they're also pushing the boundaries with their charging technology. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is rumored to come with an insane 90W fast charging capability. To put that into perspective, with 90W charging, you could go from 0 to 100% in just about half an hour. Imagine plugging in your phone for just a quick coffee break and coming back to a full battery. Pretty sweet, right? But that's not all. Fast charging isn't just about speed, it's also about convenience. With 90W charging, you can say goodbye to the anxiety of a dying battery. Whether you're rushing out the door or just need a quick top-up before heading out, the 15 Pro has got your back. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the heat? Well, Xiaomi is reportedly using advanced cooling technology to keep the phone cool even when it's charging at such high speeds. This ensures not only faster charging but also safer and more efficient charging. No more worrying about your phone overheating during those quick charge sessions. Alright, let's wrap this up. With a 6000 mAh battery and 90W fast charging, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is setting a new standard in the smartphone world. It's a perfect blend of power, performance, and convenience. If you're someone who's always on the go or just loves having the latest tech, this phone is definitely something to keep an eye on. So, what do you think about these new developments? Are you excited for the Xiaomi 15 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Techdevil watermark.